Hi, I'm Janine. It's my pleasure to introduce you to AdvancedMD practice management software. During this video, I'll share how you can create an easier and more productive practice, giving you more time to focus on healthcare through advanced software. Our complete web-based system improves revenue capture, boosts medical staff efficiency, and streamlines patient flow. With AdvancedMD, you gain a highly customizable system that is secure, continuously backed up, and easy to use. Plus, you can achieve a true paperless office. Leading practice management systems share three key benefits. First, it must be easy for your staff to learn and use. Second, the system should save you time by automating manual processes. Third, and critical to your bottom line, it must help you successfully capture revenue. So, with so many systems available, what makes AdvancedMD the clear choice? For starters, our software is designed by clinical and billing experts to be easy to use and quick to learn. Our training program offers a wealth of resources to help you and your staff become successful on all aspects of our software. In fact, new hires can get up to speed within hours instead of weeks. Also, with AdvancedMD, you can easily master your revenue cycle management process. I would like to highlight some of the automated tools that are unique to AdvancedMD. Things that can really boost your productivity, like automatic notification of items that were underpaid or prioritized work lists that give your staff clear direction, as well as best practices for managing claim denials. Let's take a look at what we call revenue cycle mastery. AdvancedMD includes everything you need for optimal workflow and efficient patient management. From intuitive color-coded appointment scheduling to streamlined registration, electronic eligibility verification, as well as charge capture and billing. You can easily track medical claims across your entire revenue cycle and improve your practice's financial health. Ultimately, every practice is seeking efficient revenue cycle workflow that yields successful collections. One area I'd like to point out is how quickly and easily you can process claims while reducing your days in AR. Our proprietary claim inspector automatically scrubs each claim against a set of 3.5 million coding rules and regulations, helping you produce clean claims prior to submission. Another benefit is our fully integrated clearinghouse that is connected to more than 1,400 payers. Within our software, you can submit and receive status reports on claims without the need for a separate website or dual data entry, a huge time saver. Plus, our clearinghouse also runs carrier-specific validation prior to submitting to the payer. We are your single point of contact for those tricky claims. Simply contact our free US-based support. We guarantee this unique claim center process will result in 95% first-pass clean claim acceptance. In fact, last year our customers experienced 98%. Along with making our software easy to use and effective at capturing more revenue faster, we've also made it easy to access. You gain the freedom to work anywhere you have an internet connection and a PC. Simply log in, and your patient and billing data are always available at the hospital, your home, or on the go, just like being at the office, with security that exceeds software installed on-site. There are no servers or software to install and maintain at your office. In fact, upgrades become a thing of the past. Another benefit is your data is backed up hourly in a secure off-site data center while you work. This automatic storage system far exceeds HIPAA compliance compared to on-site and ASP solutions. Plus, you have the ability to export patient and practice data at any time. Let's now take a look at the software. I'll play the role of office manager and highlight some key areas of AdvancedMD practice management. I'll open a web browser and go to the AdvancedMD login page. Here I can log in to start managing my practice. First, I'd like to familiarize you with the application. This toolbar includes key tools and functions. I really like how this toolbar is arranged and color-coded in groups for ease of use and fast navigation. My new hires love how easy it is to learn. For example, the blue section allows me to manage patient demographics. Red is for appointment scheduling and recall information. Green is where my staff can manage billing, such as payment and charge capture. Yellow is for electronic processes, functions that my billing manager and I interact with to process claims and evaluate the financial health of our practice. Gray is where we access system tools and reports. Now that I've logged in, I see the dashboard that shows my practice's health. Here I see the latest news and announcements from AdvancedMD. This area shows my task list. At the bottom, I can access support and training resources. I can also read about the latest features and interact with my peers in the AdvancedMD user forum. Here, I access helpful online training videos. As the office manager, I am able to see financial information in this column. I can present this view for other users based on their role. These tabs allow my physicians and billing staff to stay current on month and year-to-date financials with data presented in real time. These performance indicators are arranged by production activity, financial health, and claims efficiency. Let's now go through the revenue cycle mastery process, starting with scheduling.
Hi, I'm Kelsey. I work in the front office and manage our patient scheduling. After logging in, this is where I access the appointment scheduler. I like how easily I can review appointments and manage our busy schedule. My main screen has a standard view of 5 columns that I've associated with our providers, nurses, rooms, and equipment. I have the ability to associate appointments with any type of resource. Each column can be configured to meet the unique requirements of every physician in our practice, including customizable start and end times for patient visits, as well as time slots between appointments. For example, Dr. Jones can only see patients from 12 to 3 on Wednesdays. The scheduler really helps me keep all these details straight. I've set up a tab here to manage scheduling for our other office. I use this to manage schedules between offices, procedures, and surgeries. I have flexibility to create custom groupings and configure my schedules in a way that is best for my practice. The easy navigation allows any of our busy front office employees to quickly find available time slots, check in a patient, and schedule an appointment from the wait list, all within one screen. Let me show you how easy it is. To schedule an appointment, I start by searching for the patient, Mark Byrne. If Mark were a new patient, I could simply add him here. Or I can search for him by using a first name, last name combination. Now that I have found Mark, I'll select him. This is an alert from my billing staff asking for updated insurance information and payment for an overdue balance. Better inter-office communications like these have really helped everyone in our office stay connected and assist with patient issues. A simple way I can help our practice minimize rejected claims is by running a pre-visit verification of eligibility. I can do this for all upcoming patients up to 5 days prior to an appointment, or I can process one patient at a time, such as during check-in. Let's go ahead and schedule Mark for an appointment with Dr. Jones. To schedule an appointment, I simply select the day and time and click Make Appointment. I'll select the type from this quick list. Now I can customize the color code, default visit timeframe, and any instruction for the patient. I can also add notes for the provider or nurse. I click OK, and Mark's appointment is scheduled and immediately visible to all my staff. Now that Mark is scheduled, I can easily manage his check-in process. When Mark arrives, I can quickly confirm his demographics here in the scheduler, things like contact information, insurance provider, balance, and copay. By selecting Mark's appointment, I can perform a variety of tasks. I can collect his outstanding balance and address the alerts sent by my billing department. I can also determine and collect his copay. All payment information is automatically associated with today's visit, and payment is auto-posted to the AR. If Mark asks, I can print a receipt. The system alerts our billing department that all revenue has been collected. These quick and easy steps help create accuracy for our entire office. I'll now update Mark's information. From the scheduler, I can quickly access his demographics by clicking Edit. Notice here at the bottom, the editor allows me to work without closing the scheduler. I can easily multitask and return back to the scheduler as needed. In the editor, I find Mark's information neatly categorized into sections similar to a paper chart. The Insurance tab presents all current and past coverage. I can see the effective start and end date by carrier. The Details button allows me to review his eligibility. Also, I can quickly review his scanned insurance card. This process has allowed our office to streamline the verification process and reduce denied claims due to ineligible or lost coverage. I can now indicate that Mark is checked in. The AdvancedMD scheduler alerts the nurse that Mark is ready for his appointment.
While Mark visits with Dr. Jones, I'd like to share how charges can be captured. If you sign up for AdvancedMD as a standalone practice management product, it's very easy to capture charges using the online charge slip tool, a paperless solution. Providers can enter charges during the visit, and checkout and billing staff can enter them during follow-up. Plus, the process of capturing patient information and creating charge slips electronically is a great stepping stone into EHR utilization. If you add AdvancedMD EHR, visit charges automatically flow into the claim center from the patient chart. This helps create a true paperless office, allowing you to improve accuracy and streamline workflow. Wearing my office manager hat, I'll now show you how charges can be captured. I can access the online charge slip through this icon in the toolbar. On the left-hand side, I can see all patients scheduled today. If any appointment gets rescheduled, my list updates automatically. The right side shows me a list of procedure and diagnosis codes. I've configured the layout to our specialty and physician's preference. During Mark's visit, the physician selects the services that were provided along with the diagnosis. At the bottom of the screen, Dr. Jones can alert my checkout desk of any follow-up appointment. When the provider submits the charge slip, 3 things happen. Mark's name is cleared from the schedule list, showing that charges have been captured. Next, billing information is sent to the claims center. Finally, the checkout desk will receive the information for today's visit and any follow-up instructions.
Now that Dr. Jones is finished with Mark, I'm going to complete the checkout process. The checkout screen allows me to follow up with Mark on any outstanding items. I can see here that Mark's copayment was already collected during check-in. I can also see that the provider would like to schedule Mark for a follow-up visit. By selecting Post and Recall, I indicate that Mark is checked out. The scheduler then populates the next visit date with Mark selected so I can confirm a convenient time. I've now finished Mark's checkout, and our billing staff can start processing the claim for payment.
Hi, I'm Shauna, the billing manager. I'm excited to share how I review and submit claims using AdvancedMD Practice Management. After logging in, I can open the Claims Center where I perform most of my work. The Claims Center is organized into tabs. Each one creates a prioritized work list of claims that I can quickly review or modify. Here under Charge Review, I'm able to maintain complete control over the charge capture process. This is one of my favorite tabs. I can review and modify today's charges before they are ever submitted. Physicians in our practice appreciate how I'm able to control this process. It really helps me make sure all charges are captured and processed correctly. The Claim Inspector is where I see claims with coding issues based on our specialty and payers. It's helpful because I receive coding suggestions. I'm able to eliminate the hassle and expense of reworking claims rejected by insurance carriers, a benefit that helps me avoid payment delays. I never miss an issue because of how powerful this tool is. I have confidence my claims are clean because I can validate accuracy prior to submission. This tab gives me a work list of unbilled claims due to missing or incorrect data. Before using AdvancedMD, I had a rough time catching these mistakes. Sometimes I wouldn't find them for 30 days. Now I catch them immediately and reduce my days in AR, which makes my physicians very happy. For claims that do get denied, the Exclusions tab really saves me time. I no longer have to work in a separate clearinghouse application to fix denials because they show up here automatically. Clearinghouse and carrier reports are conveniently displayed here in the EDI tab. I can easily reconcile claims because the system automatically posts remittances from the insurance carrier. Now that you've seen how I work in the Claims Center, let me show you how easy it is to post my electronic payments. It's easy to access my EOBs. This screen shows me the amount of all carrier payments that have been received electronically. I can see a summary of the payment to review what claims were included. I can then go into each claim to view the distribution details, key items like patient date of service, contracted amount, and patient balance. Using the built-in reporting of AdvancedMD, I gain insight into how well my billing process is affecting our bottom line. My office manager and physicians love how well these reports show our staff's successes and overall financial health of our practice.
We hope this video has given you a better understanding of AdvancedMD practice management software. We've highlighted just a few of the many features. To learn more about our products and services, including our EHR, contact us or visit AdvancedMD.com.